In this video, we will demonstrate using OpenResty X-Ray to analyze the CPU usage when Envoy responds to Hello World. Use the cat command to check this Envoy server configuration file. You can see that it listens on port 1088. It replies with the Hello World response body. Test the response of this /hello interface. The response is Hello World indeed. Run the top command to check the CPU usage. Look at this process named Envoy. As shown, it consumes more than 90% of a CPU core. Run the ps command to see the full command line for this process. It is downloaded and installed from the Envoy official binary package repository. Let's use OpenResty X-Ray to check out this unmodified process. We can analyze it in real time and figure out what's going on. Open the OpenResty X-Ray web console in the web browser. Make sure it is the right machine you are watching. You can choose the right machine from the list below if the current one is incorrect. Go to the guided analysis page. Here, you can see different types of problems that you can diagnose. Let's select high CPU usage. Click on Next. Select the Envoy application. Select the process that consumes over 90% of the CPU resources. This is what we saw previously in top. Make sure that the application type is right. Usually, the default should be correct. The language level here is just C and C++. We can set the maximum analyzing time. We'll leave it as 300 seconds, which is the default value. Let's start analyzing. The system will keep performing different rounds of analysis. Now, it's executing the first round. The first round is done, and it's already on to the second one. That's enough for this case. Let's stop analyzing. We can see it automatically created a report. This is the type of problem we diagnose. It's CPU. This is the number one hottest C++ code path for the CPU time. This is an overloaded operator of the schedulable callback impl class. Click More to see details. The hot code path was automatically derived from this CLAN CPU flame graph. Click the icon to enlarge the flame graph. Continue to zoom and invoke implementation function. The write method of the Envoy network socket class performs socket writing. It sends out the HTTP response data. The drain method of the Envoy buffer class frees unused memory in the write buffer, and performs other cleanup work. The clear deferred deleted list method of the Envoy dispatcher class frees up all the resources associated with the current request, and does all the cleanup work. Check the number 2 hottest C++ code path for the CPU time. The function emit log in the Envoy proxy is used to write the access logs to a file. Enlarge the flame graph. Zoom in the emit log function. Most of the emit log CPU time is spent formatting the log message string, not on writing file operations. Here is the third hottest code path that costs the most CPU time. This prepare local replay via filter chain function is in the chain of Envoy response output filters. Each filter in the chain has the potential to modify the response. Click to see more details. Enlarge it. Zoom in the first function. The create header map function is hot. It's mainly for allocating new hash table for HTTP headers. The new URI function is mainly for allocating and formatting the URI string. The set status function sets the response status code. The format method of the body formatter formats the response's body data. Set content length method is used to set the response length header. Set reference content type method is for setting the content type response header. This is the performance comparison chart between Envoy servers and OpenResty. You can see that the throughput of OpenResty is more than 200% higher than Envoy servers. OpenResty X-Ray can also monitor online processes automatically and show analysis reports. Go to the Insights page. You can find the reports on the Insights page for daily and weekly periods. For this reason, you don't have to use the guided analysis feature. Though guided analysis is useful for application development and demonstration purposes. OpenResty X-Ray is a non-invasive diagnostic system based on our own dynamic tracing technology. It can monitor and scan performance problems, behavioral issues, and security vulnerabilities in real time. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.